Most of the time graffiti is temporary, right? With the thing that's in this box, your piece can survive a lot longer. Alright, it's time to unpack this one. Okay. Here we go. For those who don't know me, my name is Chuck, and today I'll be painting a graffiti piece up there. Let's see how high I'm able to get with this thing. Almost to the top. I can go higher, but not sure if that's a good idea. Well, I got the luck that I can put my hands in here, I guess. Yeah, all the way. Nope, not happy about the bee. I'm just too lazy to go down all the time, so I'm start jumping off the ladder. That should be it. So by painting a piece higher on the wall, you might extend the lifetime of your piece, as it is a lot higher to paint over there, of course. And not everyone has a ladder like me. I just bought it last week, but it's a great way of painting a piece above someone else's. I'm going for a simple fill-in, otherwise I have to go up and down and up and down. The wind is coming from that direction and I'm right-handed, so all the dust is coming towards me. Perfect. Actually harder than I thought. Painting on my left side while I'm right-handed. Okay, that's it. That's what I've done so far. So there are two reasons why I'm painting the word above. First of all, I always try to paint a word that has something to do with the video. And the second reason is that when I started doing graffiti, I wanted to watch graffiti videos. And the writer above, he was for me like the first person on YouTube who was uploading a lot of graffiti videos. So this is like a shout out to the writer above. Unfortunately, he hasn't been uploading any videos for like 5 years now. But still, he was a really big inspiration for me. So be sure to check out his YouTube channel. I'll put it in the description down below. People will be like, yellow background, yellow fill-in. Yep, I'm really doing it. To those who are interested in buying a ladder after watching this video, I'll tell you something about it. So I was able to buy this one for €100. It has 11 steps and it's like 11 kilos. It is 3 meters and 20 centimeters high. So if I open up here, it should be close itself. It's like magic. And there's already a lot of paint on it. But yeah, that's where I bought it for, so no problem. I'm really happy with it and I definitely recommend it. I'll make sure I'll put some links in the description so you can look for it if you like. It's time for the outline. So yellow is getting a dark blue outline, black is staying black, the black letters don't get any outline, the dark blue letter gets a white outline, and the light blue gets a black outline. Confusing? Wait till you see the final result. Don't do this at home, kids. So before I round up this video, yes, I really recommend buying a ladder like I have. I hope my piece will stay up there for a lot longer than other pieces normally do. That would be nice, of course. But if you're lazy, then don't get yourself a ladder like that, because you will get tired. Don't forget to check out Above's YouTube channel and also give this video a like, leave a comment, and you will help me with it a lot. So it's free, just do it. This is the final result.